Hey everybody, Courtney Smith here, and I want to talk about how we're going to use stochastics here to give us a buy signal in Brazilian stocks. So what we have here, this is from stockcharts.com, which I use a lot. It's a really good chart service. And here we see a trend of, this is the Brazilian ETF, or the Brazilian stock market actually, not the ETF. And you can see here that the stochastics really peaked right up over here. We got a crossover of the percent K. The black line crossed over the K, gave us a great sell signal up here. But notice that it recently crossed back up and it's below 20. Now, if you buy a crossover or sell a crossover below 20 or above 20, it only works really in the direction of the trend. So in this case, we got the crossover down. We didn't know that that was a new trend yet. But this, I think, is still a major, it's like a minor bear in a major bull. So we crossed over. I think this is a time to buy. Right now, this is real-time prices. I'm sorry, the market just ended. But this is the second highest close in a week. So this thing looks like it's going to probably continue higher, that this is a buy signal. And I really just wanted to show this to you as an example of how we can utilize stochastics correctly, because most people do them incorrectly. Now, what would have made this a better trade was if we had used the knee technique. And here's an example of the knee. Here we've got a clear bull market, a short dip down, and then an immediately crossover back up. That's called the knee formation in stochastics. Very rarely taught. I've never seen it taught, actually. But I was taught and had an opportunity to meet with George Lane himself, and he trained me a lot on how to use stochastics. So this is two examples of how you can use it. And we've got a very cool webinar coming up, and you may want to come to it. So it's called Super Stochastics. It's the real way to make money using stochastics. Take a look at there should be a link down in the description below where you can register. It's free, but I'm going to be revealing two key elements, including a trend following system that I developed, which is very nicely profitable, and also my favorite way to use stochastics, neither one of which were in this video. All right, everybody, we'll talk to you later.